Y'all got any problems? Y'all got any problems with your cars? Take it to RPC, baby.
Y'all heard it.
RPC for the win.
You hear it, y'all? You ain't no joke. You ain't scared to drive that car.
No.
You ain't scared.
No.
Tell everybody your name.
Jeriana.
Jeriana driving that thing down the track. Y'all see? Lift the wheels up out the ground. She ain't no joke. Willie Dog.
Yeah, I told her I was gonna get Jamie daughter down here to Gap.
Yeah.
She said she gonna Gap Jamie daughter. Yeah.
Real bad.
Real bad, huh? She ain't playing. Yeah.
You see what she got there, right?
She got that
Grudge Inc Belt.
She got that belt
In a
on.
few minutes we got the Kong, which is the current champion. He's current champion. Going up against Raul Torres.
It's going down.
He's defending. So we gonna find out who's gonna win it in a few minutes, and that's what they're running for.
Y'all see it.
All right.
Y'all see it, y'all.
Raul want to take the belt from me, so
He
let
want
me
to
spank him.
He want to take it.
Yeah, so I'm going to
He
spank him.
take the belt from you.
Yeah,
Now you got to spank him with it.
I got to spank him a little bit.
Got
Teach him a lesson.
Lord have mercy.
Little ass whooping, it ain't gonna hurt me. Little ass whooping.
Running for the belt, man. Raul Torres running for the belt up against Kong. They are running for the Florida belt. Shout out to Grudge Inc, Jay Barnes and the crew. Good Lord have mercy. Raul for the win. Raul for the win. Truck came up. I felt the heat on the top of my head.
We making move, yeah.
Y'all got any problems? Y'all got any problems with your cars? Take it to RPC, baby.
Y'all heard it.
RPC for the win.
You hear it, y'all?